guys, and welcome back to Alex Florio. Today, what the hell was that? You can see that gnarly ass exhaust. I was at my brother's shop the other day, and that was the old exhaust that the bike had, which I am bringing that over. I was trying to think, but I'll get into that in a different day. So yeah, I brought that over, and I told my dad a joke. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put this on the go-kart. He's like, no, you're not. It's gonna look retarded and this and that. So what I did, he was just sitting here with me the other day. I was just like chilling, trying to fix the return spring. To put the throttle back. I didn't put the throttle on. Toby, shut up! So yeah, I put the throttle back on correctly. Oh my god. Toby, shut the fuck up! Cause I put the throttle back on correctly. It was just like, it was pulling it out too much, so when you let off the gas, it would just go by itself. It has no brakes either. So I got back, right? I was fixing that. And I was like, how can I weld this thing up? So I was like, I don't want like a flange, I don't have like a drill or anything, and then I'm probably gonna have the correct drill bits. And then so I was like, you know what? I have a stock exhaust in there with the flange that is correctly stock, or that came from the factory. Took it off, and it fits really perfectly on there. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do this scrap. So I put the flange on there. I unbolted it from the other exhaust. I bolted it on there to the kind of like hand tighten it. So then I aligned it how I wanted it to be. So that's how it looked. And then I was like, okay, don't move it, don't move it. And I got Sharpie and I marked, cause it had like a triangle kind of thing shape. I don't know how to do that, but I like that. I don't know on here. But so I kind of marked it. Yeah, and then I tacked it, and then I went back here and I put it on, and I was like, yep, that's how it's gonna look. But stupid me, I don't know why I didn't think about this. So I started welding. I did one kind of good bead, and then I just started like that scared the shit out of me. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and scare the shit out of my neighbors for doing that. That's how it sounds. How much did you see? Oh, okay. Slow them down, but it doesn't pop. So it sounds pretty loud. It pops. So back to the story. I think I was. Yeah, so I was welding, right? Toby, can you shut up? So I was welding. I started like second weld, I think, and I was like, crap, there's a hole. So I don't know why I didn't turn on the wire speed or like the freaking metal thickness or whatever. So I just started doing globs of weld and globs of weld, and the welds came out disgusting. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, you can tell. So I think that's all I need to say, right? Maybe. Oh, here's some clips of me drifting and the first time, the first ride of the go-kart too, so.
Fucking idiot.
I grabbed it there. I fucking fell on, bro. Is that comfortable, Alex? Not really. I used to go through here before.
Well, now you're a woman driver.
Well, let's crash into the freaking doghouse. This thing is too much fun, dude. It's scary, but it's too much fun. What? Oh, I would try. There's a bump right there that freaking hurts.
Did he stall it?
Yeah.
You stalled it on that.
Donut, donut, donut!
still gonna send it.
Try 157 Alexander's donut. Yeah, those are. Why did I keep zooming in the camera? Those are just pretty good clips. Not really good, but I stuffed it the first time I was trying to drift. It's pretty bad. Not really bad, but I just like kind of spun out. And then I don't know. I don't think this thing spit flames. It pops though. I don't know how, but it pops. So I'm gonna get the camera closer, and then I'll show you guys this. Let me bring this chair over too. I super doubt that it spit flames. So. It has one exhaust thing, and it's like down here somewhere. So I'm surprised it only has one. So I could have done it like that actually, probably. I am also painting the exhaust that the GoPro kid gave me because this keeps rusting, and then yeah, I'm just gonna paint it. So. I'm getting a change here because it's gonna be like that, bolt, bracket, and then that. Oh, you got your bike out. You're so cool. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my toolbox because the hell is that? Oh, I haven't showed you guys that in a while. So, oh, why am I putting that on the desk? Sometimes. It's loose from somewhere. This one? No. This one, yeah. So, here it is. It's all nice and clean. Got some more stickers on there. Got one right there. And one right there. Kind of messy on top. This thing would be full, but and then I got a pick set right here, and I got a new pliers set, as you guys showed. I showed you guys all my wrenches, and I got 3 sets of Allens. These are actually Torx, so I'll show you this one. Electronic, you guys know that. I'm much crap. Voila. I got my 1/4 inch for you know daddy. So this is 1/4 inch, that's 1/4 inch. This is 3/8, that's 3/8. This is more 1/4 inch. This is 1/2 inch, that's a 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch, that's a 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch, and this one's 1/2 inch. And he gets pissed off sometimes. Doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. So I got a new rubber mallet, as I showed you guys. Got a hammer, got my rigid gun, got my drill master. This thing actually works surprisingly good. And then I got my other drill master, shitty ass piece of shit. Oh, here's my Allen head thingies. I got my my brother's welder. It doesn't talk shit about me later. Here's the other box too. So sticker. I put this back on here. And then the other set, these thingies, the sockets, I put the new ones in my other box, and then I put the old ones in here. Same for the wrenches. Got some pliers here. My old 3/8 ratchet. Some pliers there also. First drawer. Got some Allens. Some O'Reillys. Kind of shitty, but got a flashlight. Got some more pliers. I just threw a bunch of screwdrivers in here. Got 2 pairs of gloves just in case if I ever need them. Some more Allens, and then here got the parts. Got that air filter, not the air filter, the filter that I need I need to apply. I got some hoses. I need to go the head out. Let me know if you want this, because I just kept it in here for some reason. Got some more hose. I got some brake. I'll show you guys that in a different video. And I got an extra chain with an extra chain link. And then this thingy. Keyway. And then here it is. Here's my brother's light. Got my charger right there. This is where I welded the exhaust the other day. As you can see, my dad and me cleaned it. I cleaned the thing, the workspace. And we might be moving this over here. So we're gonna have all this space right here. I'm gonna move that right there. Move my box over there. I don't know actually. And I want to add another door like this one, opening the other way. So yeah, actually for my go-kart in here, and they could park right here. But I don't think that's gonna happen. Oh, and I put some stuff up there too. I told you guys I'm gonna paint my exhaust. Here's my exhaust. He cleaned it up. It kind of got rusty. I think I touched it there, and I put alcohol in it. I got 150 grit sandpaper. Right there, or 180. Yeah, it'll be fine. So I just paint it. But other than that, I think this video is gonna be done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Oh, I'm gonna be adding front brakes, so I do burnouts. And I don't know, I might do another pedal. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.